2015 question 6 from paper 2. It says, mark 10 or more points on each of the scatter graphs below to show an example of the type of correlation named under each graph. So the first one, strong positive correlation. Okay, remember, when it is a positive correlation, it has to be an uphill slope. Okay, the positive part, that's talking about the slope. Likewise, negative is just talking about a down slope. Okay, it's still a strong correlation here, still strong correlation. Okay, so if it's a strong correlation, what that means is it's fairly clear to see where the line you would be drawing is. Okay, so just draw 10 points on this graph here, at least 10, to show a strong correlation. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, grand. Likewise here, a strong negative correlation. So again, and it doesn't have to be like going through the origin or anything like that. Okay, so I could do like a negative one like this. Okay, so it could be a steeper negative slope, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's a strong negative correlation. Okay, it's quite clear to see there where that line would be drawn. Okay, but it's not exact. This one, no correlation. Okay, so absolutely impossible to see where those lines would be. I should have done this whole thing in pencil because they are scatter graphs. Okay, so absolutely no clue where I would draw this line. Okay, so the 10 most random spots you can decide on. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I think. I'll do one more just in case. Okay, so that is A. B says, a few days before the Scottish independence referendum in September 2024, YouGov poll estimated the support for the No campaign to be 54%. Okay, so straight away there's loads of unnecessary information. Okay, so the No campaign is 54%. That's what I need to know. If YouGov sampled 1,000 people. Okay, so again, straight away there, what are they telling me? Okay, so I'm looking at statistics here. N is the number of the sample. Okay, so N is 1,000. Okay, so again, straight away, when you see the information, take it down or highlight it. So N is 1,000 is me translating this into just normal maths. Find the margin of error. Okay, so the margin of error we know is 1 over the square root of N. So it is literally 1 over the square root of, and then we sub in the value of N that they gave me. So 1,000. Okay, so if we do that, we get 0.03162. Okay, and they say give your answer as a percentage. So to give that as a percentage, we need to multiply it by 100. Okay, so that I get 3.162, and it says correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, so 3 point, and then because the number after the 1 is 5 or more, it goes up, so 3.2%. Create a 95% confidence interval for the level of support for the No campaign in the population. Okay, so all we have to do there, the 95% confidence interval, remember what we're doing there is we are saying that for the full population, okay, the probability is somewhere around what they said it was going to be, so 54%. Okay, that's what they're looking at, that's what their estimate is. Okay, so that's the estimated probability for that sample, and they could be wrong by 3.2%. Okay, so we want to say it's somewhere in around 54, but it could be 3.2% less than the 54, or it could be 3.2% more than the 54. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say, so it could be 54%, or it could be 3.2% less than this. So we're going to say it could be the margin of error less than this. Okay, and likewise, the 54%, well, it could be the margin of error more than that. So we're going to also add on the margin of error. Okay, so that my probability, I can say with 95% confidence that my probability is, so 54% take away the 3.2%. Okay, so we're going to take it away, and the 54% add on the 3.2%. Okay, so that we can say that it's, so here, 50.8%. Okay, so the population is somewhere more than this percentage and less than 57.2%. Okay, that's my 95% confidence interval. Okay, so I can write it like this, that's absolutely perfect. And one more way we might see it is inside square brackets. So 50.8% and then just a comma, and then the higher interval, so 57.2%, and then just a close bracket with the square bracket.